sit. Sit. Watch me.
Yes, good boy. I know I saying good boy makes it sound a bit dirty, doesn't it? Dirty. If you've got fur babies in your life, then here is a wonderful way to treat them to something not too naughty and extra tasty for them. Let's make homemade dog treats.
We're going to start by melting together 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 100 grams of natural smooth peanut butter. Now do check there's no xylitol present as it is poisonous to dogs. I don't have that on my conscience. For our dry ingredients, we've got 100 grams of porridge oats, 150 grams of wholemeal flour. I'm going to add in our melted peanut butter and coconut oil, and then I'm going to mash together 1 banana with 1 egg and add that in too. This will form a nice pliable dough for you to roll out to about 1 centimetre thick. Cut to your desired doggy biscuit shapes, and then add them to a lined baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until the biscuits are golden. Let them cool completely before you feed to your dogs and store them, and they should keep for up to 2 weeks in an airtight jar.
The best way for me to test these biscuits, how obedient are my dogs going to be?
So do a simple pour, that's my good boy Bill, and then a simple pour for Midge, that's my good girl. Look at that. Angels, or so they'll make you think they are. No, they're very good and they deserve these treats.